What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off phone call or messages customized service data collection in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings and then click on customization service. Now in customization service, click on data management. And then you will see a call or message history button on the top. So if you want to turn off phone call or messages customization service data collection, then tap on this button to turn it off, and from the pop-up tap on stop. And if you want to turn on phone call or messages customized service data collection, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off phone call or messages customized service data collection in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.